Dave here. How are you? I'm sure you are familiar with these things here. This is a Kreg K5 Kreg jig, and it has a stepped drill. Now this is basically the centerpiece of any pocket holing that you want, that kind of drill. It's got a small section, like I think it's around about 4 millimeters wide in the first section of the drill, and it travels down to, I don't know, 12 millimeters from the tip. Then it opens up to around 10 millimeters. Now this is for the Kreg screws. These things, that's called a washer head screw because it looks like it's got a washer on it. It's pretty simple. Anyway, where am I going with this? Well, if you notice down behind me, I'm building this project. This is a king size bed I'm building for myself. And I've got an area down here where the support for the bed head is tapered at 7 degrees. Now the back is staying constant. This part is opening up. I want to create counterbores, and I thought to myself, the best drill I've got for that would be this guy. Now, I don't know if you realize, but you can adjust the collar here, the stop collar. This is normally designed to go down inside the Kreg jig and hit the steel guide. You can adjust it back up. I'll just loosen off the Allen key. You can take it all the way up as far as you want, just as long as you don't bury the grub screw into one of the flutes. It's got to go onto the outside of the drill. So you can just set that up, and I'll set this up like this at the moment. Lock it, and now I've got a perfectly good stepped drill with a stop. So I can set this up to do the skinny part at the top, and then I can undo that and bring it down further and do the deeper sections. So I'm constantly using the same screw size all the way through, instead of having to get a massive different screws. I will get a purchase of about that much from the head down to there, and the rest will be going into this bed head. So if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell your friends. Let's see you next time. Bye.